I'm going to show you how to make delicious breadsticks. Very nice and easy. Right here I have an 8-ounce dough, square pan, oil spray, Italian seasoning with some garlic powder, some cheddar cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. Very easy, 8-ounce dough, take it, press it down. We have our dough shooter here. Just perforate it, or else you're going to have bubbles on your breadsticks here. And the pan just lightly spray it so it doesn't stick. Take it, put it in the pan. Okay, set in the pan nicely. We're going to get some mozzarella cheese. If it's plain, you don't need to put the cheese on, just the seasoning. But we want ours with cheese, so we're going to put some cheese. There's the mozzarella. Sprinkle a little bit of cheddar as well. Take the seasoning. Okay, there you have it. We're going to set it in the oven. It's ready to go. Hey guys, so our breadstick is ready. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So nice and easy. Very easy process. Take one of the cooking sheets. Put it in the middle. Take your knife, all you're going to do is cut it in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts should give you 5. And then, just going to do one big cut in the center. There you have it, one order of breadsticks. Take this, put it in here, and add some Parmesan cheese on top. That's it, there you have it. Ready to go, serve it with the marinara dip, and it'll be just perfect.